Hi, in this video I will show you how to waitlist a class. So what is a waitlist? A waitlist is when particular classes are full, you can request to be placed on a waitlist to enroll in the class if a seat becomes available. When you're added to a waitlist, you're assigned the next available position number. So in this video I will show you how to add yourself to a waitlist or waitlist a class. So as always, we have to choose the correct term. You will be waitlisting classes in the Adding Classes tab. So for our video, Spring 2014 once again. So when we select classes to add, it's just like when we select open classes, but this time we're going to select the waitlist option for classes that are available for waitlist. So when if I did a class search for, say, Polls 200, I would uncheck that open classes only criteria, and then I would see classes that are green, open, seats available, blue, closed, full, or yellow, currently full, but I can be placed on a wait list. So the class I looked up for our video is Polls 200 with the class number 1220. So as you can see, Polls 200 is a waitlist class. That means all of the current seats are taken, but it has the option for me to be placed on a wait list, so if a seat becomes available, I can be next in line to take that seat, depending on my position number. So if I'm number 1 and 1 seat becomes available, I would be next. If I'm number 10 and 8 seats are available, I will remain on the wait list until my position changes. So you want to make sure you click, like I have, and check the wait list if class is full, since we know this is a waitlist class. If we uncheck this, it will tell us that the class is full and we can't add it, and to check it if we'd like to be added to a waitlist. So that's what we'd like to do, is be added to the waitlist. So we'll click next. And it's been added to our shopping cart, so we'll proceed to step 2 out of 3. And we'll finish enrolling. So if you're on a wait list, you're not guaranteed a spot in the class, but if a seat opens up and you're next on the position, near the next position on the list, then you will be added. The classes we're waitlisting for will show up on our class schedule, but not with the green check mark of enrolled, but with the yellow waiting status. We'll also be able to see our waitlist position displayed on our class schedule, which I'll show you after this class finishes enrolling. And you may waitlist up to 12 credits per semester. Alright, and once we finish enrolling, it takes us to our favorite success, green check mark, green messages below, or the red X of error, unable to add class. So here's where the message comes in really importantly. So for Polls 200, we know it was a waitlisted class. We requested to be waitlisted, but we're seeing this green check mark and that yellow triangle is gone. This does not mean we have enrolled in the class, because if we read the messages, this is our GE require message, but here's a really important: class 1220 is full, or you do not meet reserved capacity requirements. Your waitlist position is 1. So this green check mark for us right now means we've been successfully added to the wait list and we are number 1 on the wait list. So if I look at my class schedule, this is a little clearer. So if I go down to my enrolled classes, Polls 200, instead of saying enrolled, such as this class, Bio 115, it says waiting for status and my waitlist position of 1. So if a seat opens up in Polls 200, and since I'm first on the wait list, if I meet all of the prerequisites, I'll be enrolled in the class. So if someone drops the class, I'm the first person that will take the next seat. And I will receive an email notification to my Seawolf email account letting me know that I have been enrolled from a wait list. So also, if you want to remove yourself from a wait list, you go through the Drop Classes tab, and you can see how to drop a class in a previous video. So that's how you successfully add a waitlist class. You see if the class is full. It has the waitlist capacity for the yellow triangle. You click the waitlist this class option, go through all the steps like you're adding a class and make sure you read your messages. Then you can check your waiting class status and your position number, and you'll be notified when you're enrolled into the class. Lastly, you are able to swap if a class is full. You can swap to a wait list, but you need to have that feature set up beforehand. So you'll be placed on the wait list for the swap to class, so make sure you click that please waitlist this class and go through a swap, which you can see in a previous video as well. So always make sure if a class has a waitlist capacity and you'd like to be placed on a waitlist to click that waitlist class checkbox and go through all of the steps. Alright, so this was our final video, and good luck with registration.